Hi, I'm Milt Sneller. I'm Chief Executive Officer of Trigon Electronics. Trigon Electronics has been making telephone entry equipment for the last 30 years. For the last 15 years, Trigon has been manufacturing the no phone charge intercom systems. This video will be a brief description of these intercom systems and some installation tips that we can cover at the same time. Trigon's intercom history includes the Castle Guard, the Model 5000, the Model 5000D, and today the Model 6000. The original Castle Guard was small. It was meant for about no more than 24 residents. That evolved fairly quickly into the Model 5000. Both the Castle Guard and the Model 5000 were call-up only intercom systems that were built for either doorman or a telephone entry device, telephone to call up to the residents. The 5000D was where Trigon incorporated the call down feature. Call down feature which was incorporated into 5000D gave each resident the capability of contacting a doorman or a concierge. This came about in 1995 and has been part of the staple all the way along for Trigon's intercom systems. In the early 2000 time period, the Model 5000D was incorporating a small number of units that had no phone service by using a powered block to power up the phone so those particular residents could call down. With the advent of cellular telephone and people moving very quickly into not having a landline into their residence, there became more and more residents with no landline service and only using cellular. Basically, at that point, became a problem with the call down feature because call downs require that the phone be powered in order to initiate the DTMF tones. The call down feature could only be supplemented by a serviceman coming out and rewiring every time a person decided to do away with their landline and only use cellular service. So that basically there was a service call by intercom companies for each and every time this occurred, and when people moved in and out, more of this type of thing kept occurring. Trigon decided to develop a telephone assist circuitry that would automatically sense when the telephone service was shut down and automatically apply 24 volts to the resident's line and power up their telephone. This board, which is called our TA board, was designed to clip onto the side of an RJ71C block, which is in the telephone room. This board has the sensors that sense whether that particular resident has powered telephone service or not, and we basically just snap the unit on and then reapply the cable out to the front of the board. This board then stands guard, watching all the phone service. If a phone service goes away and the resident is only using cellular service, then their basic phone gets automatically applied a voltage that allows it to call down as well as receive calls from the concierge. The benefit of the TA circuitry, which is on this board and fixed to the side of a block, allows us to upgrade any 5000D to a fully automated telephone assist circuitry, and thus eliminate all the service calls that are required by the old power block system.